All right, Candle Range Theory Trader back with you with another video on a momentum trade for today. This is Wednesday the 5th. So first we'll review the pattern. Let me make this bigger. So momentum trades, remember that we look for candles that have exceeded their average daily range and is below or above a prior week's level. So if we're going long, we're looking for an ADR candle which has exceeded its average daily range, and the candle turns the color, which it did here. And this is just, like I said, this is the template. So prior week low, we got a blue candle, which means that price has gone, above its ADR. So if the ADR is like 50 and this pair has moved like 100 pips, to the downside, we just expect somewhat of a retrace the next day. We're not expecting a reversal or anything. We're really just trying to catch a pullback, and ideally our move, we want to see it at least get to about 50% of this range candle. So that's how we do that. So our trade for today was GJ. We have our blue ATR candle. The ATR was 153, but this candle was 262 pips to the downside from the open to the close. Okay, so obviously that's above the average daily range. So, and this was Tuesday, so Wednesday we just expect a pullback, and our entry zone is always at the low of this candle. We want to see price go below it. Let me close this out. Okay. Here we go. We want to see price go below it, and then when it closes above it on the 5-minute chart below the prior day low, that's our entry signal, and that's it. So the easiest way to do this is just to set a price alert. But let's see the best entry. Best entry was around 2:40 a.m. Yeah, I took this on a swing low. And I got out way early because I did like 3 entries. So obviously it's still going, so I didn't catch all of this. But I'm not greedy. But obviously you see it paid out quite handsomely, and it's still going. So from this entry, let's just say right here, that was like what, 30, 40 pips in like what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like 30 minutes. I mean, you got to be kidding me. And right now, if I'd held on, that'd be 72 pips. So, I mean, it's an easy enough trade. It's the same thing over and over. I post these review videos just to let you know what I'm taking, and that the pattern is there. You just have to be able to look for it. And always remember that you can always be wrong. Okay. You can always be wrong. So control your risk. And that's it. Most of the yen pairs, I think, did the same thing. But that was this trade here. So I enjoyed that one. Let me see if it reached the middle of the range. I'm not sure. But like I said, I don't expect a reversal. I'm not looking for reversals, just a little move. And if you scale into these, you don't even need price to move that much. So when I get like 3-4 positions on these things, I don't need it to move 100 pips. No, just like if you can get 1 to 3 on 3 positions, come on, man. So yeah, but there we go. So it hasn't even reached the middle yet. I'm fine with what I got. I'm good. So that was it. So that was the trade of the day, momentum trade on GJ. Hope you guys caught that. And there'll be another one tomorrow, the day after that, or the day after that. Either way, it's the same pattern over and over. So appreciate you watching. Definitely check out the other videos on this channel for more training and tips. If you don't know what the momentum trade is, check out the deep study video on that, and it'll explain everything in detail. And have a great rest of your day. Take care.